Hello friends, I Dr. Deepak Bhardwaj presenting a third lecture on linear differential equation with constant coefficient, particular integral. Rule 4. When the right hand side of differential equation is x to the power m, then the particular integral is equal to x to the power m upon fd is equal to fd inverse into x to the power m. We take an example. Dq plus 3d square plus 2dy equal to x square. Its auxiliary equation is m cube plus 3m square plus 2m equal to 0. M is common here. So m into m square plus 3m plus 2, and the factor of m square plus 3m plus 2 is m plus 1, m plus 2. And the roots are 0, minus 1, minus 2. The complementary function will be equal to c1 e to the power 0x plus c2 e to the power minus x plus c3 e to the power minus 2x, which is equal to c1 plus c2 e to the power minus x plus c3 e to the power minus 2x. Now we find out the particular integral 1 upon dq plus 3d square plus 2d into x square. We take 2d as a common for making a expression as a 1 plus the function of d or 1 minus function of d, and take the inverse of this expression in upper side. The particular integral is equal to 1 plus 3d upon 2 plus d square by 2 the whole minus 1 upon 2d into x square. We expand the upper expression. We get 1 minus 3d upon 2 plus d square by 2 plus 3d by 2 plus d square by 2 to the power 2 and so on into x square. We know very well we can differentiate x square only 2 times, so we take up to d square only. Then 1 upon 2d, 1 minus 3d upon 2 plus 7d square by 4 into x square. Now we multiply x square in each term. We multiply by 1 x square, we multiply x square into 3d upon 2, it means one time differentiation 2x, and we multiply by d square, it means two time differentiation, it's 2. Now it is equal to 1 upon 2d x square minus 3x plus 7 by 2. Here 1 upon d is present, so we integrate it one time, which is equal to 1 upon 2 x square minus 3x plus 7 by 2 dx. We take integration of x square is x cube by 3. Integration of x is x square by 2, and integration of constant is x, which gives x cube by 6 minus 3x square by 4 plus 7 by 4x. Now the general solution is CF plus PI, which is equal to C1 plus C2 e to the power minus x, C3 e to the power minus 2x plus x cube by 6 minus 3x square by 4 plus 7 by 4x. Next rule, when the right hand side is equal to xv, where v is the function of x, then the particular integral is equal to 1 upon fd into xv is equal to x 1 upon fd into v minus f dash d upon fd whole square into v. We solve a differential equation. Here the differential equation is d square plus 2d plus 1y equal to x cos x. Its auxiliary equation is m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0 by replacing d by m. We find out the roots of this equation. We get minus 1, minus 1. These roots are repeated and real, so we apply the formula. The complementary function is equal to c1 plus c2x into e to the power minus x. Now the particular integral is equal to 1 upon d square plus 2d plus 1 into x cos x. By the formula, we separate x and find out the particular integral of cos x as a 1 upon d square plus 2d plus 1 into cos x minus differentiation of fd, that is 2d plus 2, and square of fd, that is d square plus 2d plus 1 whole square into cos x. Now we applying the last formula of cos ax and sin ax, we put in place of d square as a minus a square. Here the value of minus a square is minus 1. So we put in place of d square everywhere as a minus 1. On solving, we get x cos x upon d. It means we have to integrate. 1 upon d means integration, so we integrate cos x minus 2d plus 2 upon 4d square. Here we again put in place of d square as a minus 1. We get x sin x upon 2 after integration minus 2d plus 2 upon 4 into minus 1 cos x. On after calculation, we get x sin x upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 d cos x plus cos x, and the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. We put here x sin x upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus sin x plus cos x, and after calculation we get the particular integral is equal to 1 upon 2 x minus 1 sin x plus cos x, and the general solution y equal to complementary function plus particular integral is equal to c1 plus c2x e to the power minus x plus 1 upon 2 x minus 1 sin x plus cos x. Next, when the right hand side is not formed in previous cases, it is the general formula of particular integral is equal to 1 upon d minus a into x is equal to e to the power ax integration e to the power minus ax x dx. Here we take an example, d square plus a square y equal to cot ax. Its auxiliary equation is m square plus a square equal to 0, replacing d by m, and the roots of auxiliary equation are plus minus ai, the complex root. So we apply the formula. The complementary function is equal to c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. Now the particular integral is equal to 1 upon d square plus a square into cot ax. We know very well there is no formula for the particular integration of cot ax or tan ax, sec ax, cot ax. So we apply here the general formula. We find out the factor of d square plus a square as d square plus a square equal to d square minus a square I square, and factorize it d plus ia into d minus ia. Now if we find out the partial fraction of 1 upon d plus ia into d minus ia, we get 1 upon 2ai 1 upon d minus ia minus 1 upon d plus ia into cot ax. We suppose this is the first equation. Now we are taking 1 upon d minus ia cot ax by the formula e to the power iax integration e to the power minus iax into cot ax dx. By the De Morgan theorem, e to the power minus iax equal to cos ax minus I sin ax into cot ax. We multiply cos ax into cot ax, we get cos square ax upon sin ax, and multiply sin ax into cot ax, we get cos ax. Now we convert cos square ax into 1 minus sin square ax upon sin ax minus I cos ax. Now we get 1 upon sin ax is a cosec ax, and sin square ax upon sin ax sin ax minus I cos ax. Now integrate the cosec ax. The integration of cosec ax is 1 upon a log tan ax by 2, plus we integrate sin ax is minus cos ax, and the cos ax is sin ax. After calculation we get e to the power iax into 1 upon a log tan ax by 2 plus 1 upon a into e to the power minus iax, which is equal to our required solution of 1 upon d minus ia into cot ax. Now we multiply e to the power iax inside the expression, we get 1 upon a e to the power iax log tan ax by 2 plus 1. We suppose that it is a second equation. Now replacing I by minus I, we get 1 upon d plus ia into cot ax is equal to 1 upon a e to the power minus iax log 10 ax by 2 plus 1. We suppose that it is a third equation. Now using second, third and first, we get the particular integral is equal to 1 upon 2ai 1 upon a e to the power iax log 10 ax by 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon a e to the power minus iax log 10 ax by 2 plus 1. 1 is cancelled from 1 and we take the log 10 ax by 2 as a common. We get e to the power iax minus e to the power minus ix upon 2i, which is equal to sine ax. So our required particular integral is equal to 1 upon a square sine ax into log 10 ax by 2, and the general solution of given differential equation is equal to complementary function plus particular integral is equal to c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax plus 1 upon a square sin ax into log 10 ax by 2. Thank you.